It's a Malibu too. I was triple wrong. Okay, well for that, here's a little. I don't know if you can really hear me over that, but a little wheelie for you for being wrong. Look at that place. The thing seems to be falling on its face. Maybe you could use a tune-up after a couple years of being beat on and abused. I don't know. I want to go back over there. Where am I going? That was the best area that I found so far. Let's just hang around. The rear brake is not. Okay. If this video randomly cuts out or hasn't already, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for stopping by. And whatever you're doing the rest of the day, I hope you enjoy it. Be sure to come back, and we'll catch you guys later. Oop, that was first gear. Okay. Ignore that. I'll catch you later. Peace out. Girls out. Yeah, hopefully it hasn't cut in already. This battery was fully charged when I started. Memory charge shouldn't be anywhere near full either, so there's no way this camera angle is any good. Hopefully. Oh, I sort of want to risk it for the biscuit. I don't even know what time it is. Actually, is that just field access? It's always just field access. I've got to know. It's Forest Road. This is a road that leads to a field. Go figure. Oh, there's glass everywhere. Cool. That's a hole. Imagine that was a booby trap. For YouTube purpose, I don't know if I want to say that. A trap. Imagine if that was a trap. I really better read the terms of service, or whatever it's called. I don't overly care, I just really don't want to strike on my first video. I 100% can say booby, right? Booby trap. It's not like, okay, I'm not going to get into it, because that's what's probably going to get me in trouble. Okay, private property, trespassers will be prosecuted, right? I'm assuming that's for that field, not everything this way, right? I don't know what the orange dot means. Maybe that means like this is my land. This just looks like mush, to be honest. I really want to ride it though. It looks, oh, there's a little cabin thing there. The red dot definitely means like no, right? I don't know what the red dot means, man. Somebody tell me what the red dot means. Is that a no? Does that mean like this is included? Watch this guy that wants that property went in with the camera. Nope, he waved. Hopefully it's good. Oh, brother. Okay, so did I go straight? I went straight because I like gravity taking seat. I would have totally. Oh, that looks so sick. Oh, how much trouble would I get if I went? I'm not gonna do it. I'm not. What was I saying? I lost my train of thought. Yeah. See, if I hadn't gone straight, I would have been questioning whether I went left or right back there where I wanted to go straight. But then didn't I turn at one point? I turned with a natural nature line of the asphalt, which is right up here. Oh man. Use your brain! There's the stuff that I went. Okay, we're researching our steps here. Oh yeah. We're back. Show me those yellow natural lines. Move, Birdie, move! I'm coming through! There's just some real nice back roads around North America. I don't know. Everything else is terrible. Look at that bird's nest. I don't know if you can see that. I might have to get my editor me to zoom in on that. But that is a huge, probably an eagle's nest. Hey, yep. This is where I turn. So do I head straight or do I head back? You know what? We're gonna go like gravity. Momentum. That's the word I'm looking for before. Momentum seems us. Right on. This guy owns a lot of property. Let's just give him that. I hope some of this audio is good. Oh, this is a big test to see that some of his property. I was like, no, a trail. No, it leads back to a shop back there. Oh, I just had a bug hit me in the throat. Oh yeah. That looks like a path, but I bet you it's just water. That's gibberish. Show me a trail. Not like that. You want to hear something really cool? Yeah. That was for you, Mr. Squirrel. Oh, I don't want to hit you. Please don't. Thank you. That would have felt so bad. Breaking the law. Oh, I did it again. I keep thinking this is a 5-speed, and now I've lost all my speed. Okay, so how am I getting home now? I probably should head back here soon. I'm getting a little sore and tired, and you know, oh, that's a cool little treehouse thing. Yeah, I'm old now. It's my birthday in a month exactly. My birthday, I'll be 25, and yeah, I can't do stuff like I used to, but I got the knowledge and stuff. Stop saying. I just some brain stage have now. No, don't mix that in. I know a thing or two about a thing or two. I should see if this guy will just give me a ride back. Oh, I know where I am. Oh, he's grilling. I should definitely see what he's got on the grill. I would do some bad stuff for a little grill action. A little grill action. I could use a... No, that sounds bad. Grill, 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 grill. Not anything else that might sound like that. I gotta be careful here. I'm not seeing a whole lot of interesting stuff here. This is along for the ride. This audio is going to be blown out. I can already tell. Oh yeah, I got that Limp Biscuit in my ear. That guy's fixing his snowblower in April. In April, my voice did not track there. More red dots. Okay, this guy does not own No Trash Wrestling. I see that one. Nobody owns. Oh, wow. I may be 25, almost, but there's still room to learn stuff, always. Oh, look at this house. That is, do I check it out? Do I check it out? You know what, if we get one comment saying check it out, I'll come back and take a look at this house. There's no way I'm still recording. I keep saying that, this whole video is just going to be, there's no way I'm still recording. I bet this audio is terrible. There's no way I'm recording. Recording? Am I still recording? This audio is terrible, I bet. Oh, this guy owns all these trees. There's a no trespassing sign. And there's nowhere to ride. That's all this is going to be. Well, let's make it not. So how about this weather? Got him. I got you so good. I don't know why I was laughing at the guy mowing his lawn. Like, oh, you've got a $2 million property out here. Ah, it must suck to be you. I'm renting. How did I get over here? What the heck? Okay. Yeah. Laugh at the guy mowing his nice lawn. My lawn I did with a push mower last week. Must suck to have a $2 million property. Oh yeah, Bessie. There's no way I can. Oh, I'm gonna get hurt. I am not gonna do a staggered. I'm gonna do a staggered. I haven't ever done a staggered. Ooh, okay, it's too high. I don't know. I don't like that, to be honest. It's too awkward. I feel like I'm surfing. Like, woo! You know? That was dangerous. My mom would be so pissed if she's seen that. She probably will see this. I don't know yet. Let's see what gets edited out and what's posted. Oh. yeah. It's just been a beautiful day to ride, that's it. If this wasn't a field, I'd go bombing through those puddles. There's a little bit on the edge. What if I just dip and dive? No, these tires are so garbage. Can you see that? Can you see how bad that is? They're bald. These tires have been on here for ages. So if they're not only they're bald, they're probably dry as heck. Okay. I gotta. It looks too nice. Whee! Oh, I'm going down. I'm not going down. I'm not going down. I'm not going down. I'm not going down. Yeah. Oh, this is all like. Oh, this is drainage, I think. That is mush. I gotta get out of this guy's field. My bad. Oh my goodness. I didn't do it. I did it, but I didn't. There's probably not much fuel left in this. In either the camera or... Oh, I didn't even think about... Is there any mud on you? Let me just take care of that for you. You can't even wipe your own face off. Yeah. Okay, well, I'm gonna head back, if I can figure out where I am. I think I know where I am. This has been... that sounded stupid. Thanks for checking us out. Us? It's literally me. It's only me! There's no one else around. Thank you for coming and hanging out with me while I ride. I'm gonna try and upload more, try and be consistent, yada yada yada, blah blah blah. Make sure you like and subscribe. If this is something you want to see, it's not gonna be something I do often or like regularly. I could do it every now and then, but it's not gonna be my common. It's just happens to be what I decided to film after getting the camera and everything all set up. So if you enjoyed it, let me know. I don't know why I did that, but hi. If there's stuff you want to see or places you'd like me to go, I could take my Harley. Let me know. Let me know. I do have a couple things planned. I'll go over that in another video. Oh, brother, I would just fly in that. I would literally die, but that would be wicked. Yeah, so, thanks for checking me out. If you made it this far, thanks. Make sure to stay classy or something. And, peace! Roll the outro music here. I don't even know what song that is, to be honest. Let's try the Maui Wowie. Something I can't think. What is this in my ear right now? Everybody take it off. There's a place downtown. It's like Katy Perry. I don't even know. I was on the wrong line too. X-Zone sequence, by the way. There's a place downtown where the streets are crumbling around. There's a hole in the wall. It's a dirty free-for-all tonight. Everybody take it off. Something like that. Okay. That's all. Peace out. I said off.